In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify account in Telegram. If you manage a Telegram channel, group, or bot and want that trusted blue checkmark, this walkthrough will make the process clear and straightforward. Verification on Telegram confirms that your presence is authentic, and it helps your audience find and trust you more easily. Before you apply, make sure your Telegram presence is truly ready. Your channel, group, or bot should be active with recent posts or engagement. And it needs a clear, recognizable profile picture. Consistency matters, so use the same name and branding you use elsewhere. Most importantly, Telegram requires that you are already verified on at least 2 major platforms: YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram. This cross-platform verification is how Telegram confirms you are the real owner behind the name. If you are not verified on at least 2 of those, focus on meeting that requirement first. When you are set, open the Telegram app and use the search bar to find the official Verify bot. You'll be interacting directly with this bot to submit your verification request. Make sure you are talking to the genuine bot and not a lookalike. The official one will clearly indicate it's the real verification bot. Start the conversation with the bot and follow the prompts. You'll send the link to your Telegram channel, group, or bot, so have that handy. The bot will guide you through linking your other verified accounts. Typically, you'll provide the public links to your verified profiles on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, or Instagram so Telegram can match them with your Telegram presence. Keep your login details private. You should never share passwords or security codes with anyone. The process is about proving public ownership through visible links and consistency, not handing over credentials. Be patient and thorough with the instructions. If the bot asks for clarifications, provide accurate information and ensure the names and links across platforms match. Small discrepancies in spelling or branding can slow things down, so double-check everything before you submit. Once your request is approved, you'll see a blue checkmark appear next to your Telegram channel or group name. It will show up on the profile page and in search results, signaling to your audience that your presence is authentic. If you don't see it immediately, give it a little time and verify you've met all the criteria. That's it. Thanks for watching.